Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I've pulled out a game that I've had for a while that I keep meaning to work on, and so I'm going to try to see what I can do with this. This is, I believe it's a 1960, I have to check the actual date, a Williams Big Deal pinball machine. This is a late model wood rail, kind of the end of that era. It's got small flippers. And I pulled this out of a trailer, I can't even remember where it was, but it was out in some rural area, and got a really good deal on it. They claimed, the people that had it claimed it didn't work, and they had done some finishing on it. Look, they'd done this kind of faux finish, or they'd painted over the cabinet, or they had people they had gotten it from, and it's actually not a bad finish. You know, I've seen worse. It's kind of like a faux wood thing. It actually came out pretty good. They tried to remove the finish from it, and you can see to get the original artwork, but the original artwork was in pretty bad shape or sanded down or something. So there's part of the original artwork, and you can see the finish that somebody had put over it. It's hard to say what's the better end of the deal. I probably would have left the faux finish on rather than take this off. I mean, it's definitely kind of neat, but it's, you know, but the old thing is even worse off now. I guess it could be touched up, but you know, my approach to this is let's make it functional. I care about the function more than the form of these machines, so I'm not going to spend any time working on it cosmetically unless I know I can get this thing working. But let's take a first look at this. The lockdown bar has this beautiful patina. Look at this cracked thing, little 10-cent coin thing here. This is another coin thing that's covered over. And what really struck me about this game is just how beautiful the playfield is. There's really no wear on the playfield. The colors are very vibrant. Now, it's filthy. I have not even wiped the glass down. So I'm looking forward to this cleaning up and looking even nicer. Look at the apron, how beautiful it is. It's still intact. All the plastics appear to be in really good shape. I'm excited. Let me get around here. I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. Look how beautiful the colors are, even through this filthy glass. So it looks like a very fun game to play, and I'm anxious to get this thing working to see how well it plays. So I've got the head off of it. I'm going to be putting the head on, and the first thing I'm doing is making sure that I got the legs secured, and then I'm going over these connectors here, and I'm going to polish them, and I'm going to make sure that all the wires are properly connected to their thing. And then I'll move the head into place, and then I'm going to pull the playfield up, take a look inside. I'm not going to apply any power to the machine for a while. I'm going to go over this game. It's been sitting for a long time. I have no idea what condition it's in, so I'm going to go over it completely with my eyes and make sure that everything looks like it's in order. So no, you know, just basically take an audit or an inventory of the game, what's inside, and I will pay close attention to anything bouncing around here in the bottom of the cabinet. So I'll note any little parts or pieces, and I'm going to store those aside, and then we'll put the game together and then apply power to it and see what kind of situation we're in with it and see how much work it's going to need. And maybe hopefully we'll see this thing play, and I'll be able to share it with you. So stay tuned. This is obviously part one in an ongoing series where I will try to work on this game. So stay tuned for the next part, which hopefully will be pretty soon. You know, sometimes I do these things and then it might be months before there's an update. But this is, I moved this into my living room. It's not even in my workshop, so I'm motivated to get it finished. So we'll see, but stay tuned for more on this. I don't have any particular problems I'm trying to solve right now. This is a first look. But for more, visit pinballhelp.com, or you can catch me on Twitter at PinballHelp, and on Facebook and all that. So thanks for watching.